Hello guys, this is Farhan again with another forex trading video for you guys. In this video I'm going to share with you another powerful trading setup which my secret markets can identify way in advance. As you can see, currently I'm in the USDCAD chart, and according to my secret market scanner, USDCAD was a buy for the day. Get my manual trading system absolutely for free. Yes, you heard it right, get it absolutely for free. You just have to follow the simple 4 steps. Number 1, you have to smash the like button. Number 2, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Number 3, you have to join my free Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description. And number 4, you can message me on my Telegram that you have done all the 4 steps, and then you will be given my manual trading system absolutely for free. Remember, this system was sold for more than $500 to some of my clients. Now this is your chance to get this trading system absolutely for free. This is the same system from which I have done wonders in my trading career. So if you are serious about trading and this is your chance, this is a very limited time opportunity. You can avail this opportunity and do some wonders in your trading career too. And look at that, how powerfully it worked. And if we go to the shorter time frame, look how it reacted from one of our moving averages, and boom, it went more than 70 pips. So once you purchase my secret market scanner, you will get all the details, when to buy and when to sell. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. You can make tons of pips on daily basis using my secret market scanner with high accuracy. So I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.